plum raisins milkshake or cardamom plum raisins milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the raisins recipes and one of the most unique of the milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes. We're going to make cardamom plum raisins milk smoothie. The ingredients are around 100 grams of plum from which the seeds have been taken out, around 50 grams of sugar, around 50 grams of raisins, 6 to 8 cardamom pods, and the cardamom, raisins, and the sugar. Close and grind well. Now put in the plum pieces. Close, grind well. Now pour in close and blend well. Now the cardamom plum raisins milkshake is ready and can be poured into the glasses. The cardamom milkshake into the glass. Final cardamom plum raisins milkshake recipe or cardamom plum milkshake or cardamom plum raisins milk smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the cardamom recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cardamom recipes and one of the most delicious of the smoothie recipes.